Hello everyone, and welcome to our in-depth exploration of the fascinating differences between American and French cuisines. I'm your narrator, and today we'll embark on a captivating culinary journey that reveals not just architectural differences, but deeply rooted cultural philosophies. Let's start with the most visible aspect: physical layout. Imagine walking into a typical Parisian kitchen. The space is compact, but every square inch is optimized with almost surgical precision. Open shelving proudly displays collections of fine porcelain and carefully selected cooking utensils. White marble countertops reflect natural light streaming through traditional sash windows. French kitchens prioritize efficiency in limited space. You'll notice refined details: a white porcelain sink, aged brass faucets, and often a small herb garden on the windowsill. The atmosphere is intimate, almost like an invitation to create something special. In striking contrast, let's cross the Atlantic to discover a typical American kitchen. The space opens up before us, vast and welcoming. American kitchens are designed as the heart of the home, a natural gathering place where family and friends converge. Notice the imposing central island, a true focal point of the space. Cabinets reach to the ceiling, maximizing storage space. Stainless steel appliances gleam under recessed lighting, silent witnesses to American modernity and efficiency. The difference between these two culinary cultures goes well beyond architecture. In France, cooking is an art passed down through generations. Watch how a French chef prepares a sauce. Each movement is precise, almost choreographed. Patience is a cardinal virtue in French cuisine. Sauces simmer for hours, herbs are finely chopped, vegetables are cut with mathematical precision. Each element of the dish is considered essential to the overall harmony. The process is as important as the final result. American cuisine, on the other hand, celebrates innovation and cultural fusion. It's a direct reflection of the country's history, a melting pot of worldwide influences. Techniques are more relaxed, more oriented toward efficiency and immediate satisfaction. Outdoor grilling, slow cooker meals, generous salads, everything breathes abundance and conviviality. American cuisine isn't afraid to experiment, to create new combinations that are sometimes bold but always interesting. The relationship with time is perhaps one of the most striking differences. In France, a meal is a sacred pause in the day. Lunches can last 2 hours, dinners often extend late into the evening. Each course is served separately, allowing full appreciation of its unique flavors. In the United States, time is often compressed. Meals can be quick, efficient, served all at once. This isn't a lack of appreciation for food, but rather an adaptation to a different lifestyle rhythm. In France, choosing ingredients is almost a daily ritual. Local markets are institutions where relationships with producers build over years. Freshness is paramount, and seasonality dictates menus. American kitchens source differently. Supermarkets offer an impressive variety of options, reflecting the country's diversity. The emphasis is on convenience and accessibility, with options for all budgets and lifestyles. These architectural and philosophical differences profoundly influence daily life. In a French kitchen, you'll often find fewer appliances, but each is carefully chosen for quality and durability. American kitchens often overflow with specialized appliances, each designed to simplify a specific task. It's a pragmatic approach that reflects a different valuation of time and effort. It's fascinating to observe how these two traditions evolve in the modern era. French kitchens are gradually adapting, integrating elements of modernity while preserving their traditional essence. American kitchens, always at the forefront of innovation, increasingly incorporate sustainable elements and international influences while maintaining their spacious and welcoming character. Both approaches have their ecological merits. French kitchens with their compact size and traditional use of local markets, naturally have a smaller environmental footprint. Modern American kitchens increasingly integrate ecological solutions, composting systems, energy-efficient appliances, and growing interest in local products. In conclusion, these differences between American and French kitchens aren't simply architectural. They reflect distinct life philosophies. French cuisine celebrates tradition, precision, and the art of living, while American cuisine embraces innovation, convenience, and diversity. Each approach has its merits, and perhaps true wisdom lies in our ability to learn from both these rich and fascinating traditions. After all, cuisine, regardless of its origin, remains a universal language that brings us all together around a table. Thank you for joining us on this comparative exploration. Don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content about global culinary culture.